Hi everyone, it's Miss Brenner. I'm here to go over your Wednesday update for September 16th, 2020. For our agenda, if you are in my 9th grade English class, you are completing our creative writing for Wednesday and also completing the conflict notes through Edpuzzle. These are both in the week 3 folders, so make sure that you complete them by 11:59 p.m. on September 16th. For science fiction, you are completing creative writing. Also, you are completing Act 1, Scene 1 Edpuzzle, which we started, and then completing Act 1, Scene 2's Edpuzzle. Make sure that you are checking your grades. Sorry about that. And that you are contacting me if something is not loading properly into the gradebook or if you have any questions. You can check the grades through Home Access and through Schoology. We also have the office hours tomorrow from 11 to 11:45 through Zoom. Also, you can send me emails at that time. The Zoom link is going to be in this update that is going to be posted at the top of Schoology, and it will also be in the Zoom folder. There is the meeting ID in case you have any issues getting into the meeting, along with the passcode. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. My email is brenners@mannheimcentral.org. I hope that you all have a wonderful day and stay happy and healthy. I'll talk to you on Thursday. Bye.